So a quick tip today, coming out of winter, our soils have a tendency to go hydrophobic. They'll do it during the summer when we don't have a lot of rains, but coming out of winter, they traditionally will switch themselves and go hydrophobic. We've had a decent amount of moisture recently, but I can see in my lawn that I'm having some stress where it is kind of going dormant on me, and I know that it's a hydrophobic spot. So in my lawn, you can see that there's like these spots if we walk up to it. You can see right down in here how it's really steely gray. This grass isn't like as green as what it is over here. See the difference between this? Right here, this place has gone hydrophobic. It's not allowing water down and in right here, and it is over here. You can see that it's greener. That's the difference. You can just kind of see it when you look out across your lawn, this steely gray color versus the green color. And when you're seeing these types of things coming out of the winter, that's what we're looking for. That's how we know that we have a hydrophobic spot and our soils just aren't performing like they're supposed to, is because of this color. And so what I need to do is get a little bit of baby shampoo in the soil and get it reacting again so that it'll take in any of this rain. As you can see, we possibly could get some more rain today. See all those clouds? So I want to be able to help it get down into the soil instead of repel and go around it. That's what this application's about, is to open our soil and let it penetrate down and in again and not stop it from going where it needs to be, down in the soil. So super simplistic, I have 1,800 square feet that I'm going to be applying this to. So I normally do anywhere between 2 to 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. And so I'm going to go ahead and put in 6 ounces just because it's from the winter and it hasn't had any baby shampoo that only lasts 3 weeks since last fall. And something I want you to understand is that this is not scientific, the amount. The amounts can be applied in different amounts depending on what you're doing. As long as you're getting a decent amount in there, it's going to work. 2 to 3 ounces per 1,000 has just traditionally worked really well for me. So now that I have 6 ounces of it in here, I'm going to fill the rest of this up with water. Then I'm going to take and put this right here on a 3 to 6 ounce setting, depending on how fast I want to walk. If I'm a faster walker, I'll put it on the 6 ounce setting. If I kind of want to go slow and take my time and apply more water so that it penetrates, I'll go down to the 3 ounce setting. So 3 ounces, 2 to 3 ounces of baby shampoo per 1,000, and that's how we just get it done. Fill the rest of this up with water and we get this application on the way. So you'll see that I use the 3 ounce setting right here because I like to walk slow and add a little bit more water in there so that I can get it pushed down and into the soil profile. Especially now where I don't have any water. I can't water this in yet because my water has not been turned on for the season. And so I am using it on a lower rate and I'm gonna walk slower so that I get more water to get it down and into the soil. And it's supposed to be raining tonight, so that'll actually help it get even further. So I'm kind of taking advantage of 2 different situations here. So the 2 different ones that I normally use is this bird beak one when I'm making my second pass, so I'm just trying to get more water down and in. To make my pass, I usually use the shower one. If there's any long distances, I'll cheat and I'll use that because it'll spray it, but I just can't reach with my hose.
That's what she said.
But overall, I use this one, the shower one, for my first pass, bird beak for the second pass. Get it down.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
When you get to your dry spots, just give it a little bit more love in these areas. Just a little bit more. Instead of walking and just randomly spraying, just go ahead and spray it a little bit heavier until you start to see it pulling up in the area. So you can see it pulling up in here. Like there's that amount of water right in there. That's what I'm looking for. In spots like this, that's all you do, is that you just give it a little extra love. Let it get in here, let it work its magic, open these areas up. That's how you do it in these spots that get really hydrophobic.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Usually I make 2 passes. After the first pass, I normally just refill my tank up with water. I'm not using it for the baby shampoo in here. It has a little residual, but I'm just using it because I'm going to make a second pass. It will have a little bit of residual to it. That's totally fine. But this one is all about just getting a little bit more water down so that it pushes that baby shampoo into the soil profile. Now this second pass right here, I'm going to be moving a lot quicker, and it's just to get more water into the soil, and this will help just a little bit, just having some in the tank.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So baby shampoo is super cheap. It's a super easy fix. There's a lot of things that it can do. Just having it in your arsenal is one of the most amazing things that you can definitely do. I'll leave some down in the description down below. You can pick it up at the store. Baby shampoo is a good thing. I'll be leaving the Ortho Hose End sprayer down in the links down below. If you like my content, please leak. Please leak. Yeah, just go ahead and start leaking. If you like my content, please leave a like, hit the notification bell, subscribe. I'm out of order. Wow. If you like my content, please feel free to subscribe, hit the like, comment, go ahead and hit that notification bell. It's very important to us. Thank you. So when it comes down to doing this application in your lawn, it is always a good thing to pay attention to the signs that your lawn is giving you. If it's stealing out, it's going gray in certain spots and stuff, that's saying that that area has less water in it. Those are good signs to be watching in your lawn to be able to make the changes that your lawn needs real time as your lawn is telling you what's going on. If you like these kinds of tips and tricks, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video right here for you to watch next. This is how to identify grubs as the damage is starting to happen. That is coming up here soon, so be on top of this. Pay attention, identify, and get on top of it. I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green.